Well, I was going to go change quail cages today and came out here and had a problem with my cart. And so I put the wheel up to look at the cart and found the bearings are shot. So, change of plans. Nothing usually goes as planned. So we didn't change quail cages this morning before it got extremely hot. I think it's 98, 99 degrees right now. So we got new bearings. So I got the wheel back on the back porch. This one wheel here is good. So I'm going to leave it so I can go ahead and replace the bearings on this, and that's what we're going to do. So I can get it back together. So basically what I did is the bearings were in here like this, what was left of them. So I turned it upside down and I took a punch, basically that's what I had to get down in here, and a hammer, and knocked them out. So they're both out on both sides. And of course over a 5-gallon bucket, 3-gallon bucket. So now I'm going to take a little bit of white grease and I'm going to put on the inside of the sleeve. Put this on here and very gently tap this down. And there's my rooster. Well, we have black copper Marines. So just a little bit on my finger. So my day changed quite a bit. It happens a lot when you have a homestead or a small farm. Your day just changes on a whim. And that's been my struggle, is just rolling with it. Some people do it better than others, but I struggle with it from time to time because I like to plan my day. And all the quail decide to open their mouth. When I try to speak, they all want to say I'm here. They'll be leaving tomorrow. I have a gentleman coming to pick them up. So, white grease, and we're going to slightly tap it around. I'm just hitting the outside of the edge. So I'm trying not to hit that middle piece. I think we're down. Yep. There you go. All right. Flip. Now, why am I doing this? Why didn't I just go buy a new tire? Well, good question. I'm glad you asked. I did go buy new tires at Tractor Supply. Well, because we bought the cart from Tractor Supply years ago. Lo and behold, the tires, or the new wheels, the whole assembly, doesn't fit. The spindle, or the axle that comes through that you put the cotter pin in, wasn't quite tall enough. So I couldn't put the cotter pin through. So what I had to do the last time I had problems with these wheels, is we have a tire place that sits up here, a little old hole in the wall place. It does an excellent job for tires. And I had paid to have new tires and tubes put in. And now the bearings went out. So trying to make it last. It's a whole lot cheaper fix than buying new tires. I actually returned all those tires and got a nice credit that I could use later on for something else I may need. My wife is just looking at me. All right. Hey, don't boss. Hey, don't boss. What's up, boss? I know, you had a busy day supervising, huh? Look at all that hair coming off of you. Oh my goodness. Day. Good.
There it is.
And I didn't bring my pliers. Pliers are at the house. Pliers are at the house. And as you can tell, when one cart goes down, they all go down. The tires and the tubes are shot. This cart was older. So, I went to this one, I was using this one. It's just how it goes. So, I'll get fresh tires for that at another late big time. Maybe I'll do it by hand, part of it by hand. Get up there. Just to get up there with the tractor. Alright, not too bad for somebody that is not mechanically inclined.